Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing today? That's really wonderful. I'm Mutiur Rahman. I'm an alim. I've done alimiyat from Darul Uloom Lucknow. Presently, I am pursuing personality development class at Madarasa Baitul Uloom, Sindgi in Karnataka, where I learn spoken English and computer. I would like to thank Madarasa Baitul Uloom and Sunnah English Medium School for giving me a chance to enhance my communication skills. Today my topic is importance of education. My respected teacher, my dear friends and my viewers. With the name of Allah, the most kind and the most merciful. As soon as the name of education comes up, it feels like a lighting flash in the pitch darkness that informs man about his purpose in life. Make him recognize every good and bad, useful and harmful, and raises it from the level of animal to level of humanity. Individuals and nation move forward. Is there any more evidence of the education, of importance of the education, than the fact that Allah revealed the first verse in the Holy Quran to His Messenger, "Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq." Read with the name of your Lord, the Creator of all. This word is applied to all religious and worldly sciences. The West considers education as a means, the leader of worldly success, and Islam consider it is a means of happiness in the hereafter and success in this world. It does not divide the religious and worldly sciences into separate boxes. Therefore, the distinction between religious and worldly sciences is based on a wrong foundation. No other nation has neglected education as much as Muslims for centuries. It is important for the nation. If they are not ahead of the pace of the time, then at least they should develop the ability to keep up with them. Due to ignorance, millions of rupees of the nation are being wasted, useless rituals and shows and wasteful expenses. If hearts enlightened by the light of knowledge in the true sense, then the way is solving of all problems. So in the last, I think you are understand how much education needed today. Thank you very much for listening me. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.